Good morning, guys. Welcome back to the channel. So I know I look ratchet, but hey, made my nails at the moment. Yeah, I can do my own nails, so I'm doing them right now, and then I'm gonna go have a bath, fix up because I have a video to film along with my mom and my sister today. So yeah. Alright guys, so I finished the filing. I also washed my hands, so the dust is gone and all of that. So yeah, I'm not really a fan of just leaving them like this, so I am gonna polish them because they don't have any acrylic on. So alright guys, my nails are finished. So I painted them. It's kind of red, but have a little orange. I would say red orange kind of look. So yeah. This hand more looks orange because it's more in the light. So I do like how they turned out. Great. And now I am gonna let them finish drying before I smudge them, and then I am going to have a bath. No, I gotta clean my room first. Have a bath, do some makeup, film a video, then I'll see you guys when I pick up the vlog. Alright guys, so I just at lunch and washed the plates. So I am gonna bathe. Oh yes guys, by the way, this is my bathroom if you didn't know. Oh yeah, and just show you guys something. So I had a mirror right here, and guess what? It fell and broke. Like literally. I was in the bath and I saw it right there. I didn't even know it broke, but yeah. I have no mirror. Alright guys, this is the outfit. I have on this Supreme sweater, this big jean shirt, and my blue socks. Yeah. Alright guys, so I finished my little makeup. Basically it was just me covering the spots in my face. So I'm going to call some persons for a video, so I'll see you guys in a few. Alright guys, it is getting dark and I can hardly see this camera here, so just having my thing that I just did. I'm gonna watch some YouTube videos and just chill. We'll talk later. So at the moment we got Auntie Shan in the kitchen. Hi guys. So today it's what, Thursday? I'm gonna clean, so I'm rearranging my room because I'm gonna change my bed. I'm now gonna sleep on this bed instead. So yes, guys, this is what I have so far. Look who's not helping.
Hurry up. Chop, chop.
Hope you know I'm not helping you in your room.
Of course.
So I got this bed over here looking like a settee. Yeah. And then this is where I'm gonna sleep. Get up. So this is the entire thing for my room. Yay. And like how it's clean now. Hey guys, so yeah, don't mind the hair. Just want to ask you guys how y'all doing. I have been having some breakouts. I don't know. But yeah, sitting on my new bed-like thing. I don't know. I'm not really a fan of being on a big bed, but that'll have to do because the bed I was sleeping on, the sponge is kind of worn out now, so it's hurting my back, so I gotta go on the bed. Like my parents and my sister tell me long times I need to stop sleeping on the little bed because it doesn't have a proper mattress, basically. And I was just so disobedient because I didn't want to leave it, but I had to. And them laugh after me, but oh well. We got dinner, we got some spaghetti, some chicken roll, some vegetables.
So you say that nothing come?
1, 2, 3. Not 3. Hallelujah, and I shall not be saving anybody's ass today.
Hallelujah.
I'm dead now.
I said dead no.